everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope everything is going great with you all. आज हम सोचे कि जरा कुछ हटके किया जाए, तो हम यहाँ करेंगे आई मेकअप with the help of lipstick, and it's just a single lipstick and it's a liquid one. So let's get started to the video. First of all, let me moisturize my face quickly, and I already have applied my sunscreen lotion, and now it's time moisturizer. Now let's go straight to the eyes, and for that I will be needing sellotape because I want a sharp edge, so that's why this. So done with the sellotape, and to prime my eyelids I'm using the concealer from NYX Professional Makeup HD, and it's in the shade CW02, and I will be applying it all over my eyelid. And now to set it, and use Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light. Quickly set the concealer so that the concealer won't crease. Here I will be applying some dots of this liquid lipstick on my eyelid. Like, first I'm gonna blend it with my fingers. With the help of a brush, just blend it properly. यहाँ आप कोई भी दूसरा कलर यूज कर सकते हैं as per your choice, but I wanted to use the same. ये हो गया है हमारा बेस रेडी, और अब हम लगाएंगे इसके ऊपर आई शेडो and palette. Today I am using the Photogenic, और जो शेड हम अप्लाई करेंगे all over my eyelid is this one. It's somewhat similar to the color we have applied earlier as the base, और वो हम पूरे हमारे eyelid पे लगा लेंगे. To blend the edges, I'm going to use palette. This again Lemonade Craze, और जो शेड हम यूज करेंगे वो है Coral Punch, ये वाला, this one, और वो हम लगा लेंगे हमारे crease एरिया पे, and also I will blend color. Factor in eye makeup is blending, and you make sure you blend your eyeshadows properly so that it looks neat and seamless and beautiful. And now to line my eyelids, I'm going to use the kajal from Maybelline kajal, and it's from Maybelline, the colossal black kajal, and very close to my upper lash line. हम यहाँ स्मच कर रहे हैं हमारे फिंगर की हेल्प से. और अब हम ले लेंगे एक ब्लैक आई शेडो और उसे लगा लेंगे जस्ट अबाउट द लाइन ऑफ काजल वी हैव अप्लाइड. Now it's time for primer, and for primer again I just have this one for now, so I'm using the same one, that is the Inside 3-in-1 primer on my T-zone, that is my forehead, my nose, my chin, and whatever is left over I'm just dragging it all over my face and neck. And it's in the shade 101 Ivory Fair, shake it well before applying it, and it is quite liquidy foundation, and it comes with a pump, and not a pump but this one dropper. And now I'm going to spread it with the help of my beauty blender. Again, for concealer, I'm using the same NYX HD concealer under my eye area, my chin, nose, bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Now for contouring, I'm contouring with my stick, and the stick is from the Focular. Just the usual places like below my cheekbone, my jawline, and sides of my nose. And now start blending it quickly with the help of this angled brush. Now while blending your contouring of jawline, make sure आप इसे नीचे ड्रैग करते हुए ब्लेंड करें, ना कि अपवर्ड. Time to blend the concealer. So again, I'm using my wet beauty blender to blend my concealer. So yeah, now to set contour, I'm using here the bronzer from Makeup Revolution London. और वो हम लगा लेंगे with the same brush. And now I'm going to set my concealer with the Maybelline setting powder. Again, I'm going to combine these two, that is the Wet n Wild's Apricot in the middle and the Cheeky Glow from the Maybelline, और वो हम लगा लेंगे एक ब्लश ब्रश की हेल्प से. First go the Apricot in the middle, just the 3/4 area above the contouring. The Cheeky Glow, and it's in the shade Fresh Coral on the apple of my cheek. So now my eyebrows are done. Now for the highlighter, I'm using here the Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Apply it with the brush on my cheekbones and under my brow bone. Of my nose, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, little bit on my chin. Now I'm tightening my lower lash line with the same kajal, and I will drag a little bit lower. And now taking the same black liner, eyeshadow, and placing it on my lower lash line and also smudging it. Now by taking this coral punch, I will just blend the black shadow that we have applied so that it looks nice and soft, smoky. take any smaller brush and highlighter, that is this Maybelline's Chrome highlighter. Apply it on your tear duct area. Combination of two, that is the L'Oreal Falseless Superstar Mascara. And now to coat the fiber part, I am using here the Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, both on my lower as well as upper lash. Now for lips, I'm going to use this color, that is the Flirtation, and it's from Maybelline. But ये लगाने के पहले हम लगा चुके हैं लिप लाइनर, that is slightly darker than this color, क्योंकि हमें एकदम न्यूड भी नहीं चाहिए और एकदम डार्क भी नहीं चाहिए, इसीलिए पहले हमने लगा लिया है डार्क लिप लाइनर. अब हम लगाएंगे ये लिपस्टिक. Is it? I like the color. And now to set my makeup, I'm using here the setting spray from Wet n Wild, and this is again matte finish setting spray. Just shake it well before spraying. Spray it all your face. Fragrance is like coconut a little bit, but it's nice. Now I will just push it down into my skin with the help of my wet beauty blender. So as you can see, this is the final look. Bangs are falling nicely. The lip color it turned out to be is very much I liked. I really like the look, and if you like the video and if you like the look, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notification of my new videos. You can also comment me in my comment section below about the look, how you liked it or you don't like it. See you till next time. Bye.